Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into another episode of Pass or Fail, where I review a mix of skincare and hair care products. Some of these products are winners, and others, well, they don't live up to the hype. Let's get started. So, the first product on the list is L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Let's talk about its benefit. It contains hyaluronic acid, which promotes brightening, even skin tones. Also, it gives plumpiness to your skin. If we talk about its texture, it's lightweight, easily absorbed, and non-greasy. Good for every skin type. Why it's pass for me? I notice a visible glow and improved texture within 2 weeks. So here's a big pass for me. If you are looking for a brightening serum, I definitely recommend this one. A total pass. Next on the list is we have Dermaco Peeling Solution. And spoiler alert, it's amazing. Let's talk about its benefit. It has AHA-BHA formula, great for exfoliation, smooth skin. How to use it? Use once a week, leave on for 10 minutes. It left my skin feeling incredibly smooth and reduced my blackheads. Definitely one of the best exfoliating product out there. Total pass. Now on to some disappointing product. This is Lakme Lumi Cream, and honestly, this is a total fail. It made my skin feel oily, clogged my pores, didn't absorb well. Many of the users reported breakout after using this cream. I wouldn't recommend this cream at all. Definitely a fail for me. Next up is the Vaseline Glutathione Moisturizer, which I had high hopes for, but it ended up being a disappointment. Why it's a fail? Feels sticky, didn't provide enough hydration, causes redness. It just don't work for my skin type. Another fail. The third product I'm not happy with is the Organic Harvest Sunscreen. Why it's a fail for me? Because it left a white cast, felt greasy, didn't blend with the makeup, a worse product. I was really let down by this sunscreen. It's a definite fail for me. Now for something that worked. The Simple Face Wash is a total pass. Why it's a pass? Because it's a gentle yet effective cleansing without stripping moisturizer. It left my skin feeling fresh, don't cause any irritation. And highly recommended this face wash if you want something that's gentle but effective. The next sunscreen is Neutrogena. It's a game changer. What's the plus point of this? It is lightweight, it leaves no white cast, it has SPF 50. Why it's a pass for me? Perfect for everyday use, works well under makeup. Finally, a sunscreen that delivers what it promises. This is definitely a pass. Moving on to hair care, the Indulika hair oil was a surprising winner. So its key benefits are: it nourishes my hair, reduces frizz, promotes healthy skin. Why it's a pass? It left my hair feeling soft and shiny after just a few uses, and also it makes a huge difference in my hair fall. If you're looking for a good hair oil, I recommend giving this one a try. Last but not least, I tried Not Habit Wooden Hair Comb and I am impressed. What are its benefits? It reduces hair breakage, easily detangle my hair, and also it is eco-friendly. Why it is a pass for me? My hair feels smoother and it doesn't cause static like plastic combs. Definitely a pass if you want to switch to a more natural and effective hair care tool. So it is for today's pass or fail. Let me know in the comment if you tried any of this product and whether they are pass or fail for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more on this product review. See you in the next one. Bye.